Welcome to Passive Voice Part 4. In today's video, we will look at passive voice in negative forms. Usually when we form passive negative sentences, there may be some misconceptions like in an active sentence, we do not use this warehouse now. When we change this to a passive sentence, some students may just add be plus pp or been in an attempt to form passive verbs. For example, this warehouse does not be used now. Or this warehouse did not be used in the past tense. The correct one should be this warehouse is not used now. So let me show you the steps to form passive negative sentences. You have to ask yourself, which tense should I use? Present, past, future, perfect, or continuous? Which tense should I use? And the second question is, how do I form passive verbs of that tense? And then you may refer to our passive voice triangle. And then if you figure out, oh, I would like to use present tense, and then you refer to the column of the present tense, which is SMR plus PP. And then you can form passive verbs correctly. After that, the third step, it is to add not after the first word. So what does it mean by first word? It is called auxiliary verb or modal verb. You can see it in this table. Be plus PP is the original form of passive verbs, and then we add not after be. It's kind of straightforward, isn't it? Let's look at more examples. Number 1, in an active sentence, I don't like ice cream. When we change this to a passive sentence, we think of the 3 steps. First, what is the tense? It's present tense, right? Then we refer this to the triangle. It should be is MR plus PP. Then don't forget the third step, which is put not right after the first word, which is. So the passive sentence would be, ice cream is not liked by me. Then let's go to the second example. He did not attend the meeting. And then we think of the 3 steps. The first step is past tense. So we have to refer this to our triangle. In a passive voice triangle, we have was, were plus PP, right? And then we put not right after was. So we have the meeting was not attended by him. Okay, let's do number 3 together. She has not done the task. When we have to change this to a passive negative sentence, what should we do? 3 steps, right? The first step, what tense should we use? It is has, have plus PP. It is present perfect tense. And then we refer it to our second step, triangle. And then we have to change this to has, have been plus PP. So the passive negative sentence will be, the task has not been done by her. In the next video, we will go through the questions in passive voice. Stay tuned!